I'm going to say welcome to my first Miranda video. Okay, don't let it. I just got this doodle doll right there. He always shakes his head no at me as just long because he's a man boy. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you what the dumb stuff that he does. Like he's using his back leg to itch his ear. Let me try to yeah, I can do it. So I am going to show you how he just eats stuff with his meal. But he doesn't use his hands for anything. See? Well, I'll show you. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Thank you. Now, high five. Sit. See, he sits and high fives normally. He's not sitting in the chair though. I expect him to sit in that chair right there. But no, he does not. Yeah. Alright, I will show you how. Did you just sneeze on me? Ew, he just sneezed on me. He just sneezed on me. No, I do not tolerate sneezing. You hear me? Do you hear me? Yes, dude. He doesn't answer either. So yeah. I will show you how he froze again. And in the bedroom that guy gets my dad talking on the phone and trying to my dad I'm getting it as my Uncle Jim. Yes, my Uncle Jim is on the road up there. Alright, now watch this little pup. He's so annoying. He's hairy, I don't know why. And yes. So watch him get shoved with his meal and he's bad. And he sticks out his tongue at me a lot too. And he goes, give me that. Give me that. You drop it, Billy. Bam more. Really? Drop it. Bad boy. Alrighty. I'm gonna treat him. Well, yes, yeah, brat. Oh, hello there. Now drop it. Wanna play? Drop it. Drop it. Stay. Alright, bad boy. And you probably saw earlier that he drops it and then he will stick out his tongue and go. See his tongue. See, stop sticking your tongue out. Not nice. Not nice. Okay, I think that is all we have for our video. Can you like stop that? I'm trying to say something. Sorry, you didn't mean it. Okay, so that is it for this Miranda video. I hope you will check in. So yeah, check out my other videos. So yeah, check out my other videos. This is Grammy Awards and I need help editing from my friend before I did this one, which is kind of my second video, but not stop it. He always tries to lick me too. I think he just like takes me, bites me. So yeah. And he thinks it's a race going up the stairs too. So yeah. So anyways, check out my first video. When you was we made kind of 22 questions with something Gerald. Yeah. Well, second year. Well, it was French year. So anyways, do that. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos and click the bell, and I don't even know what that's for, but click it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, go away. Go away. I don't need you in my life. Okay. And the Grammy Awards will be posted soon after this. My haters back off.